he is ready to respond. I didn't want to say this, but because I want you to believe that the Lord you are worshiping is a true God. That whatever is going on in your life right now, God is going to respond. Usually, I'm a very private person. I have an appointment for a new job. I have been unemployed for almost 1.5 years. None of my friends know. They don't know. Except my wife, nobody knows. I keep supporting people because I don't want to tell people that I'm unemployed. It doesn't make no sense because they're going to be worried about me. Spending my savings every month. A job I have applied for, I have an interview. As soon as the lady started the interview, it was a conversation. He said, "Now, I don't like what I see. I will let the recruiter go." I said, "Wow." Within an hour, the recruiter called me from Washington, D.C. Said, "Nana, you have been offered